Hello there, welcome to this live demo of Clickvio. In this demo, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the power of Clickvio to create beautiful looking emails that inbox better because they are lightweight and also because they are built with mobile first in mind. So the very first step to doing that would be creating either an email from scratch, or you can use one of the different templates that we have available over here. So if I go with something like this one, all I have to do is pick that and you can see all the content, all the designs have been pre-done for you. Of course, you're welcome to edit and move things in as you please. So you can drop text here, you can drop countdown timers as well, and you can do a lot of other cool things as well. Editing this is easy. Simply click here, go to settings, and you can customize settings for this text. You can even drop in buttons and social media icons to get more traction for your social media accounts. And with buttons, of course, you can get call to actions as well, which you can point to your offers or anywhere else for that matter. Once you're happy with it, you can click on preview and you can see what these emails will look like inside of mobile or tablet or desktop. So if I go to preview, you'll see this is exactly what the email will look like. It's completely responsive, like I said, built for mobile first. And because you're getting access to Mailvia for 2 months as well, you can simply click here and push this email directly to Mailvia. It just takes one click, and within 10 seconds this email gets published into your Mailvia account. And if you are using any other autoresponders such as Aweber or GetResponse, you can simply click on download the HTML output, and then open it up in Notepad and copy and paste it across in your autoresponder. We cover a lot of training around this as well. If at any point you get stuck, you can go to knowledge base and you can refer to multiple tutorials that are available, and you can also reach out to us via support. Using this is really simple. You don't have to worry about complicated technology. Everything has been done for you in the simplest possible way, making it easy for you to create your emails as you want, to make sure that you can customize fonts or change anything that you want to based on exactly what is required from your emails. And one of the coolest feature that I want to show you is the ability to add retargeting pixels as well. So if I just go here, you can put in a retargeting pixel ID with which you can retarget anyone who open up your email. And again, as you can see here, I can move this around to change the image and how it looks. So go ahead, get Clickvio, start using it, and I hope you get some amazing results.